welcome to Farewell Fridays at Gateway Bronco. This week's delivery, well, it's available now. We're making room in our collection for a very special edition. That means this vehicle, it needs to find a new home. It's a 1970 Bronco in original paint. That's right, original paint Bronco that served in the Baja 1000 4 times. We bought it from the original owner, and wow, is this truck special. It has 35-inch tires with actual bead locks. It's a race vehicle. It is a 427 stroker engine that we built here, and man, does it go. Let's go take a look inside. Well, in the Baja 1000, they affectionately called this Bronco the Loco Pony. In the interior, it's all business. It looks like the cockpit from a World War II aircraft. Now, if this vehicle doesn't get you excited to head off-road or maybe even try out the Baja 1000, you might want to check your pulse. Well, we are delivering dreams to driveways every week. If you'd like to learn more how to turn this dream into your reality, please give me a call. Thanks so much for joining, and let's take a ride together.